Hi! Today I'm going to introduce Samsung Oven's AI Pro cooking feature to my husband. He doesn't know how easy it is yet to use and how amazing the features are. So let's go show him in the kitchen. All set?
Looks delicious already.
Do you want to see something amazing in the oven?
Sure. Oh, what's that?
This is the power of AI Pro Cooking. The built-in camera analyzes the ingredients inside and suggests two options. When you select a dish, it automatically sets the optimal temperature and time.
No need to set it manually?
No, and there are over 100 menus to choose from based on the ingredients you have.
Wow, nice.
And it'll even detect if your food is burning and let you know right away, so you don't have to worry about it.
I definitely need that.
Look, you can monitor your cooking process through your phone via SmartThings.
Look at this. It's cooking perfectly.
And when the cooking's done, it creates a time-lapse video automatically. With AI Pro Cooking, the oven does the cooking for you.
We hope you'll give these amazing features of AI Pro Cooking a try.